Hi guys, today I'm going to replace the stock tiny horn of my Toyota Raize manual variant with this Denso socket type dual electric horn power tone. By the way, I chose this horn because it's easy to install and you can definitely do it yourself. So for all of you who'd like to DIY in replacing your stock horn, I think this is the best recommended product for you. If your question is, do I need to add a relay? The answer is no. This horn set is 12 volts, which is exactly the same voltage of the stock horn I have in my Toyota Raize. Each horn is 4.5 ampere and that's 9 amperes total. This is perfect because I have a 10 ampere fuse for my horn. This is socket type, so it's plug and play. All you have to do is to buy this kind of wire. Maybe it's called a splitter. No worries, I already put the product links on the description, so be sure to check it out so you won't need to search it yourselves. As you can see, I attach each of them on the readily available slots or hole in there, and I used Allen bolts and wing nuts so I can easily tighten them up. It was really easy to install. Also, you no longer have to take the risk of removing the bumper just to have it installed. I hope that you liked this video. And please don't forget to support my channel by clicking the like and subscribe button. Thanks!